Hello students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be watching our chapter Algebraic Expression and Operation on them of class 7. This is the part 1 of this video. Okay, we are starting the chapter right now. The first thing which we have to study is type of algebraic expression. In our book there are 4 types of algebraic expression given, that is monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. These are the 4 expressions, 4 algebraic expression given to us in our book. Okay, in that first one is monomial. Now what do you mean by monomial? Monomial is nothing but mono means 1. Okay, mono means 1, you have to understand it, and bio means 2, tri means 3. Okay, and anything greater than tri is known as polynomials. Okay, now you can see that in monomials there is only one thing written over here in all the 3 examples. There is no plus, there is no minus, there is no other term. Only one term is given to us, that is 4x. Okay, 4x is one term, 5 upon 6m is one term, minus 7 is one term. So this is called as monomials. But in binomials you all can see that 2x minus 3y. Okay, so this is the first term and this is the second term given to us, 2l plus 2b. This is the first and this is the second term given to us. So binomial में क्या होता है? In binomial there are, this is one term and this is second term. This is a single term over here and this is the second term over here. So this is binomial over here. Okay, now same thing goes for trinomial. If binomial is having 2 terms, then trinomials will be having 3 terms. Okay, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So these are the 3 terms and that 3 terms together make a trinomials. Okay, polynomials, as I said that anything greater than 3, this is 3 terms. Okay, so if I am having 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, this is having 4 terms over here, this is having 5 terms over here, this is having again 4 terms over here. So 4 terms, 5 terms, 4 terms, anything having more than 3 terms we will be naming it as polynomials. Okay, if it is having 4 terms then also it is polynomial, if it is having 5 terms then also it is polynomial for us. Okay, second thing that okay, we will be continuing it for practice set 33. First of all we will be completing our practice set 32, that is classify the following algebraic expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomials. So you all can see that this is, first one is only having one term, so this is what? Monomial. Okay, second one is what? Binomial. Okay, I'll just write binomial. Third one is what? Trinomial. We can see that there are 3 different terms, so this is trinomial. Fourth one is what? 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. This is polynomial. Why polynomial? Because it is having 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, so anything greater than 3 term is known as polynomial. Fifth sum, 5m minus 3, this is again binomial. Sixth sum a, this is monomial. Okay, seventh sum 4, this is again monomial. Eighth sum 3y square minus 7y plus 5, this is trinomial. Okay, so this was so simple. Our practice set 32 has finished over here. Next is addition. Okay, this is addition of algebraic expression. What do you mean by addition? First of all we know that we have to add it, but before that you have to recognize one thing that is known as like terms. What do you mean by like terms now? Like terms उसको बोलते हैं जिसके अंदर का जो कोएफिशिएंट होता है. whenever you solve a sum, whenever you solve a polynomial, there is written suppose 5x square. Okay, so in 5x square this 5 is known as the coefficient. Okay, this 5 is known as the coefficient, and this x square is known as the variable. Okay, this is known as variable. Okay, so what do you mean by variable and what do you mean by coefficient? Now variable is nothing but that changes. Okay, the term variable means that changes. Okay, so here variable means x square is the variable. Okay, एक्स स्क्वायर में अब क्या देखेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर का अब यहाँ पर एक इंडेक्स है. ओके, दिस वी हैव स्टडीड इन लास्ट चैप्टर एंड दिस इज द बेस. ओके, now in like terms we do not have any problem with coefficient. Whatever is the coefficient, we don't have any problem in it, but we have to check the variable. Okay, here our variable is 5x square. If I write one more term over here, that is 1x square. Okay, so your coefficient is 1 but variable is what, x square. So here also the variable was x square, here also the variable was x square, then these two terms are like terms. Okay, here you all can see this is 9x square y square minus 7xy. We have to add this with 3x square y square and 4xy. Now just tell me that what are the like terms over here. 9x square y square is the like term to 3x square y square because 9 और 3 को छोड़ दो, but x square y square and x square y square are equal. Okay, so these two terms are what, like terms. This and this are what, like terms. So wherever we see the like terms, we have to add or subtract it accordingly. Okay, so this is 9x square and this is 3x square, so we will be writing it together. Okay, secondly, this is xy and this is xy and this is minus xy. minus 7xy written over here and plus 4xy written over here. बीच में एडिशन की साइन हो रही है क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ऐड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो 9 + 3 विल बी 12. xy square will be as it is. Okay, this is minus 7 plus 4. Plus minus will be minus, answer will be minus 3xy. Okay, so this will be our final answer. This is horizontal arrangement. If you all want, you all can do the vertical also, but both are easy. Okay, but the only thing you have to recognize is like terms. Okay, let's start with our practice set 33 so that we can understand the sums more clearly. Let's do the first sum, that is 9p plus 16q. Okay, this will be bracket plus 13p plus 2q. This is our question. Okay, now we have to write the like terms together. 9p is like to 13. Okay, so 9p plus 13p plus 16q plus 2q. Okay, so 9 plus 13 will be what, 22p. 16 plus 2 will be 18q. That's it. This is the answer. Now p and q, these variables are different, so you can't add 22 and 18p. Always remember, if the variables are not same, their terms are not like terms, and if they are not like terms, you can't add it. Okay, next sum, let's do the second sum, that is 2a plus 6b plus 8c. This is the first, and second term 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Okay, now 2a will be adding with 16, 2a plus 16a. 6b will be added with 18b because they both are like terms, plus 8c will be added with 13c. Okay, 2 plus 16 will be 18a plus 6b plus 18b will be 24b plus 8 plus 13 will be 21c. Okay, that's it. We won't be adding further from this because nothing is like term over here. Okay, next, third sum will be homework for you all. I'll just solve the fourth sum for you all. 17a square b square plus 16c, adding it with 28c minus 28a square b square. Okay, so 17 will be added or subtracted because it is having subtraction sign na. So we will be writing minus 28 a square b square. In middle there will be plus sign. 16c plus 28c. 17 plus 28, oh sorry, 17 minus 28 will be 11. Okay, so 11 a square b square, but from minus, because 28 is a greater number, it is having a minus sign, so minus over here, plus 16 plus 28 will be nothing but 44c. That's it. Okay, this finishes our fourth sum. Now fifth sum is similar. Fifth sum will be your homework. Let me do the sixth sum for you. Okay, sixth sum, minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8. Okay, now 3y square and 7y square are like terms, so we will be writing it together, minus 3y square plus 7y square. After that we will be putting an addition sign. 10y is not having any like term over here, so 10y will be as it is, plus minus 16 plus 8, minus 16 plus 8. Okay, so here plus minus will be plus 4y, because 7 is a greater number and it is having a positive sign, plus 10y. Okay, again plus minus will be minus plus 2, sorry, this is minus 16, this is plus 8, so it will be minus 8. Okay, this finishes our practice set 33 also. This was addition and that was very easy. Next is subtraction. Subtraction have a little bit of change in it, that's it, and then this is also a very easy exercise. Okay, what do we do in addition? We just add the like terms. Okay, but in this subtraction you will be changing the signs of the second term. Okay, for example, it is written as 16x plus 23y plus 12z. Okay, we write it as it is, जैसा है वैसे ही लिखेंगे, but this is our second term, right? This is our second term written over here. We are what? Subtracting it. So we will be putting a minus sign over here. In the previous sums we used to put plus sign, addition sign, but here we will be putting a minus sign. So this minus sign will be going inside the bracket and getting multiplied with each sign. 9x is positive over here, then positive negative will become negative, negative will become positive, negative positive will become negative. Okay, so this is how you will be doing the subtraction sum. You will be changing the signs of the second expression in every sum. Okay, let's take an example from our practice set 34. We will be doing the first sum, 4xy minus 9z. Okay, 4xy plus 9 minus 9z is the sum. We will be putting a subtraction sign over here, 3xy minus 16z. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to just subtract it. This subtraction sign will go inside. This is plus 3xy will become minus 3xy, and this is minus 16z, that will become plus 16z. Okay, so this is how we will be doing it. Now क्या करना है? This and this will be getting subtracted because there is a minus sign in between. Okay, again in between you will be putting a plus sign and not a minus sign. Okay, and then minus 9z plus 16z, all the like terms we have written together. Now 4x minus 3x will be 1x, so we will be just writing x. Minus 9 plus 16 will be minus 7. Okay, plus minus again will be minus 7z. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is how you will be solving the questions. Okay, now let's see the second sum is easy. Okay, third sum I'll be doing it for your, and everything else will be your homework. 14x square 8xy plus 3y square. Okay, we will be subtracting it with 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. This minus will be getting multiplied with each term and then changing their signs. 4xy plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square plus minus will become minus will become plus, again minus will become plus. Okay, now we will be writing the like terms together, that is 14x square minus 26x square, then 8xy plus 8xy and plus 3y square plus 17y square. Okay, so 14x square minus 26x square is how much? 12x square plus 8 plus 8 will be 16xy plus 3 plus 17 will be 20y square. That's it. Okay, this will be the third sum over here. Okay, now fourth sum will be your homework and fifth sum also. Okay, in fifth sum you all can see that there is 4x 16z, but there is no 19y. Okay, there is no y in this term. Okay, so you just have to do nothing with the 19, you have to just write it as it is. Okay, I'll just solve it for you all. Fifth sum, 4x plus 16z minus 19y minus 14z plus 16x. Okay, this is our question over here. Now you all can see that we have to write the like terms together, that is 4x. ओके, सबसे पहले तो हमारा माइनस साइन अंदर जाके सबकी साइन चेंज करेगा. ओके, तो 4x प्लस 16z will be as it is, but this will become minus 19y, this will become plus 14z and this will become minus 16x. Now 4x will be getting subtracted with 16x. Now 19 minus 19y will be as it is because there is no like term of 19 over here, plus 16z minus plus 14z. Okay, all the like terms are written together. Now 4x minus 16x will be what? Minus 12x minus 19y. Okay, 16z plus 16 plus 14 will be 30z. That's it. Okay, so this is how we will be finishing our practice set 34. If you have any doubt, complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you all can comment us down, and if you are a new viewer, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the Smart Box.